start doing this, preparing to.
We also just voted.
Yeah. Wait.
What? So
Yeah,
you want
I
me to
feel
just
like the
kick him
vast
out of the
Yo,
election and do
everyone-
exactly what he did?
Well, I just really feel like the vast majority of the server just like doesn't really know about what actually happened. So I feel like they're gonna make an incorrect decision here.
And everyone contributed to this
Well,
army
Lettuce.
being defeated. I was
The
training
entire
for
server
weeks.
already watched me and Lettuce talk.
It's too late.
The entire
Look, I knew I wasn't gonna win. You were always meant to be king, and I knew that the moment the execution against you failed. But it's not like it really matters. The server is too far gone now. I tried to warn you, Parrot. I really did.
Lettuce, you're going to be in prison for a very, very long time. And you're probably never going to see the light of day again.